What you are seeing here on the screen is a website known as Cambly, and this website will pay you to speak English. It will literally pay you just to talk to someone online, and it doesn't matter where you come from, this website will pay you. Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jones. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money online simply by talking to people. So like I've said, this website known as Cambly.com is a website that pays people to speak English fluently. All right, so now the people who are supposed to speak English fluently in this case will be you, and I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to do. So come to this website, and you want to scroll down to the bottom of this website to where it's saying become a tutor. All right, become a tutor. Now don't worry, this website does not require you to have any degree or any certification. All you have to do is be able to speak English fluently. All right, you are able to speak English. If you can speak at least the standard of English that I'm using right now, you can be able to make money with this website. So when you come to this website, you scroll down to the bottom and click on become a tutor, and what will happen is that Cambly will take you to a site, will take you to the page where you can register as a tutor. Now once you register on Cambly as a tutor, you are going to have to fill in your details on Cambly, and once you fill in your details, you are going to be taken to the home page. Inside the home page, you can see here you can sign up with Gmail, and once you sign up, the sign up process will take you approximately 15 minutes. You need to enter as much detail as possible. What happens is that people pay Cambly to learn how to speak English. There are a lot of people in the world who don't know how to speak English fluently, and they want to practice it by speaking to other people who are able to speak English fluently. Okay, so in this case, you'll be the person who's able to speak English fluently, and you are going to be the one to be talking to these people. Okay, so now what you're going to do when you sign up to Cambly, what you need to do is make sure you complete your profile, your Cambly profile. That will be your first step that you need to complete. Now you can see here you don't even need to write any fake information. Just use your original information, as Cambly accepts each and every person from anywhere in the world. So make sure you enter your details here. Okay, and enter some details, some information about you. And what you're going to do on this first page, you want to record yourself just using even your phone or your laptop. Just record yourself and say something to your viewers, okay, or to the people who want to speak to you. Now if you are a shy person who doesn't want to speak on camera, then this is not for you, because Cambly is for people who want to speak to other people, and you'll be speaking on video. So make sure you also have a very fast internet connection. You have a phone or a camera that is able to access internet from where you are. Okay, so what you are going to do here, you're going to upload or record a video of yourself, and this here is a message to the people that you'll be talking to. You have to do that. I'm not going to do that because this video might be very long. Like I said, the approximate time to finish all the requirements is 15 minutes. So when I record my video, I'm going to record that video after this video. And when I record my video, I have to place it here. And when I place it here, I'll go to the next step where I will have to enter the information I'm going to do, like my teaching style, about me, the languages I'm able to speak, my work experience, if I have my education, if I have any teaching certification. Okay, of course, don't worry about that. Like you can see, it's optional. Teaching certifications are optional. It doesn't matter on Cambly whether you have a teaching certification or not. Now when you ask about the payments, what happens is that Cambly will pay you approximately $20. It will pay you approximately 20 to 10 to $20 per class you attend, and you can earn as much as you want. Okay, you can earn as much as you can with Cambly. So make sure you sign up for this site. You can see here, earn for every minute you spend chatting, you make 0.17 per minute. Okay, and 10.2 dollars per hour, okay, on Cambly. And the advantage of Cambly is that you are not limited to how much you can make. So if you spend 5 hours on Cambly, you'll be making at least somewhere $50 per day on Cambly. Okay, so go right ahead and sign up for this website and hope you make a lot of money. Thank you very much. This has been the business opportunity of the Make Money Online video for the day. Thank you.